Good afternoon, everyone. It's another lovely day here in San Diego, and it's Monday for a special edition of Family Law Fridays. Why are we doing it on Monday, you ask? Well, we did it last week, and for some reason there wasn't sound, so we're going back through it today. So the topic for today is, how long will my case take? That's a topic that a lot of people ask us in this field. And the answer depends on the type of case that you have. There's two types of cases really. I mean, there's more than two, but the two main types are a divorce case from start to finish and a post-judgment matter. We'll start on the post-judgment matter first. Post-judgment means anything that happens after you've entered a judgment in your marriage. So child custody modifications, child support modifications, those types of cases are post-judgment. They're usually a little quicker than a divorce case, because you don't have to go to judgment on those. You would file the case and we might have a hearing within 60 days, and that could be the end of that post-judgment matter, unless we have to set it for an evidentiary hearing, which is a long cause trial or issues like that where we need more than the time allotted on a standard motion case. That means we're at the mercy of the court. Right now, the courts are setting out in about January 2019 for that. So something along those lines could make your case take even longer. On a divorce case, however, you're looking at a more lengthy time commitment there. Most people come into the office and think that we can wrap up a divorce case in 6 months. The reason they think that the 6-month time frame is the time period is because the law in the state of California favors marriage. So that means that you can't actually be divorced until 6 months after your spouse is served. The court believes that by doing that, or the judiciary believes that by doing that, you may have a time to calm down, to rethink, and reconcile your marriage. That only happens in about 1% of our cases. So a lengthy divorce case could take anywhere from that 6-month period, if we're good, to 2 or 3 years, because there's procedures we have to go through. We have to exchange your declarations of disclosure, which are your financial disclosures. We may have to do discovery. It's mandatory that we go to a settlement conference if we can't resolve all the issues in your matter. Settlement conference is a conference set up with a settlement judge that helps us try to reach a resolution to your case. If we get to that point and we still can't reach a resolution, we have to go to trial. And once again, you're at the mercy of the court. How long are we going to need? Are we going to need a day, 2 days? Well, it depends on when the court has those days open. That's why we see some cases last as long as 3 years. 3 years, though, is the exception, not the rule, and so is 6 months. So I would say an average is anywhere between 1 to 2 years on your standard divorce case. But like I said, post-judgment cases a lot sooner. They end a lot sooner. So that's it for today, talking about how long will this case take. We're going to film another special edition on Thursday of this week, because I'll be out of the office on Friday. And on that day, my partner Rylas Dano will be joining us, and we're going to talk about the topic, whether or not to prenup. Do you need one? Should you do one? Or what about a postnup? We're going to discuss all of those issues. So as always, find us on the web at www.edsfirm.com, on Instagram at @edsfirm. And if you like this video, click the like button. Or if you want to watch this video later, go to YouTube. We'll have it uploaded. Subscribe and you'll get the notices when we complete our videos and get them uploaded. As always, until next time.